Long time no see, YouTube family. This is Eric at Gagne Farms, and today we are outside. Finally, we are outside. It has been so cold up here in Michigan. For like the last 2 weeks, it's been pretty much below zero all the time. Super cold. I know most of the country right now, it's really cold out. But today, it's actually 25 degrees. It's a slight wind chill. We're not going to count that. The sun's out. The sun does not come out very much at all this time of year around here. So when it does come out, we like to get outside and take advantage of it. Today we are out shed hunting. And for you guys that know what shed hunting is, I'm sure you can throw some pointers down in the comments for everybody else. But if you don't know what it is, it's basically when the deer shed their antlers in the late or the early winter, late spring time frame. Depends on where you're at. There's lots of factors that go into deer shedding their antlers. One of them is how well they've been fed throughout the winter, how harsh of a winter it is. And I have seen some big deer running around here with no headgear, so I know they've dropped. So I like to get out right about now on these nice warm days and get out and do a little bit of shed hunting. It's kind of hard. You kind of gotta look for them. They don't just pop right out. But we'll see if we can't get into a couple of them today. The other time of the year that I like to do it is in the spring after everything melts. You can kind of see them there sticking up in the woods, and they're a little bit easier to spot that way. So let's see what we can see, and I'll update you guys along the way here. Oh, there's a bunch of deer. There's a bunch of deer right down the trail right there. They're jumping all over the place. I seen them when I was walking up the trail. They must have heard me chatting to you guys. So I know we haven't made very many videos here in the last little bit of time, and nothing crazy going on. Just need a little break. It's kind of our slow time in the year anyways. We got to enjoy a lot of hunting and a lot of time with family around the holidays. Now we're kind of getting back into the swing of things, getting ready to start some seeds for the spring. We got syrup season coming up here in probably about a month, and we're just kind of getting ready for all that. So like I said, nothing crazy why we weren't posting videos, or we didn't quit YouTube, so don't get freaked out about that or anything. It's just slow time, and yeah, sometimes you just need a break. I've been going strong for 5 years now, and need a couple months off. So it is what it is, right? We're back though. We're at it, and we're gonna see if we can't duck in here and find us a shed. One of the places I like to look for sheds is right on the edge of the field. And sometimes when they're going in and out of their runs, coming in and out of the field, they'll drop them right there. So I'm looking for that. I'm looking for any buck rubs where they rub their antlers on a tree, and they try to knock them off that way. And I found them both ways before. You just gotta you gotta be out there and look for them. Kind of like mushroom hunting. If you're not out, looking for them, then yeah, you don't even know if they're there or not. Whew. Should have brought my sunglasses. So I like to get just up off the trail right here. I'm about 10 yards off the trail, and this is pretty much where they run. They kind of just sit inside the edge of the woods, and they'll go throughout the whole wood system like this. So I try to stay about 10 yards in, find a nice path. I see one here. We got one coming in. I'll try to stay on this and see what we can find. So here's another good spot right here that you can look. These are bedding areas, and I'm only just a few feet off that trail right there on the edge of the field. This is a nice little bed here. There's a bed here. You just kind of look around these beds. There's some scat. Looking for rubs. looking for beds, looking for nice, heavily entered and exited trails. Here's another good spot, guys, too. Right on the edge of the field, I have a ditch right here. And anywhere that they're gonna go down and cross this ditch, basically anywhere that they're gonna, kind of jar their head and shake one of those antlers loose, that's a good spot to look as well. I do know some guys too, they actually have dogs that they'll take out with them. I don't know how successful they are doing that, but I have heard of it. I don't see any big antlers laying around right here, but we'll keep looking. Look at this here. This is a bed right on the trail. They may have been just laying down take a quick breather, sun themselves. Nice day like today, sun pops out. Everybody kind of likes to get out and enjoy that nice vitamin D coming out of the sun. We really lack that around here, and anytime you can get it, you get it. Oh, they've been really crossing this trail. This is a good spot right here because there's multiple buck rubs right here. So these are the kind of areas I like to find. It's just a small patch like this where they've got lots of places to rub. And I look around the ground, look around the base of the tree, see what I can see. Well, I walked all out back. I wasn't able to find a shed today. That's okay, it happens, but it gave me plenty of exercise today, and I got to check on our woodlot, and I also got to check on our sugar bush out here. And with all this heavy snowpack and the real cold temperatures that we've had, I'm expecting a fantastic maple syrup season. So you guys make sure to tune into that here coming up. I've got lots of stuff coming. I know I always say that. This year we're pulling the trigger on something that we wanted to do for a long time now, and we got some other special things coming up that we've been working on kind of behind the scenes here a little bit throughout this winter. So we got a lot of changes that are going to happen on the homestead this year. I'm hoping to be able to get them all done. I think I can. We will give it a shot, but I've got lots of aspirations for things coming up, so you guys don't want to miss all that. It's going to be a busy year. I can already tell. We're getting stuff rolling, and I want you guys to come along and experience this with us. I think it's going to be beneficial for a learning experience for us, and maybe you guys will learn something too as to maybe what not to do, or maybe what to do, or maybe just something that might tickle your fancy. Like, I like that way that Eric did that. I think I'm going to try that. So we'll bring you along, guys. Thanks for following along with me today and enjoying the nice, beautiful 24-degree Michigan weather in the sun. Can't forget the sun. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.